this is Jennifer Pyank with A Crocheted Simplicity, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you one quick tip on how I keep my longer spike stitches nice and neat. The swatch that I'm working from is a swatch that I made for a photo tutorial for my Wanderlust backpack. You can check out that free crochet pattern on my blog. For purposes of the tutorial, so you can see better, I'm going to switch colors to a contrasting color. Now, when you work a spike stitch one row down, you often don't have this issue. Work your spike stitch, it's nice and neat, doesn't twist. It twists a little bit, but it's not nearly as pronounced as when you start working longer stitches. So to keep, let me show you what I mean. See how that spike stitch is all twisted? It's not separated where you can see both strands of the stitch. I wanted mine to be nice and neat, so I inserted my hook into the stitch in the row that I was told to. Yarn over and pull up a loop of equal height. Remove my hook and then put it into the loop the opposite direction. So when I pulled it up, it was like this. I removed my hook, put it in the opposite direction, and yarn over and completed the stitch. Now you can see how nice and neat that stitch is. No twists, and you can see both strands. So let's do that again. Insert your hook into the row that you are told to, yarn over, pull up a loop, remove your hook from the loop, insert it in the loop the opposite direction, yarn over, complete the stitch. I think you'll agree that this makes much neater looking spike stitches, and it really is quick. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this quick little tip that I shared with you, and you'll visit me on my blog at www.acrochetedsimplicity.com. Thanks. Have a great day.